Later, we're gonna show you guys how to make coffee. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take your reservoir here. I'm gonna turn the cold water like that. Heat up the brew. You can see. And we're going to go back over here. We're going to go. I'm going to take the reservoir we got here. This. Lay it. You want to take your coffee basket. Here's what down here you guys can see. You want to take your coffee filter basket that you guys see here. And you want to take your coffee folders and basically see if you can do it. You want to take your coffee filter basket. You got the coffee, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to do 3.5 scoops. I'm going to take 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop and a half. I'm going to go to here. Right to there. You want to take your coffee filter basket. So here, I'm sure that I want to take your coffee basket. You want to make sure you do this. You want to take your Black & Decker thermocraft or glass pot. You might want to see here, take your glass thermocraft. You want to come over here. And all you gotta do is turn it on here. It gives you the option if you want to put the timer on, or you just want to brew cups. See, there's on cups right there. It's not a program or timer, but 1990s. Still works by Black & Decker. You want to take the coffee we have here, open the fridge, and there we put the coffee in the fridge. It's a lot fresher. Sometimes if you like my videos, you can scroll down the bottom. You can like my videos. You can comment on my channel, and peace.